Teacher, I have a question to ask.
What is your question?
Are we going to play this morning?
Yes, we are, but not right now.
When are we going to play?
As soon as we finish our lesson.
Can't we go a little early today?
Maybe if we finish our lesson early.
Dad, I'm hungry.
What do you want to eat?
I want an apple.
You want a red apple or a green apple?
A red one, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, can you spell apple?
Sister, what color is this?
That's blue.
And this one?
That's yellow. Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
Good jobs. Now, what color is the sky?
Blue. Mom, I saw a dog outside.
What color was the dog?
It was brown and white.
Was it big or small?
It was small.
Can you say small dog?
Small dog.
Excellent.